Foulkeways is a continuous care retirement community that services independent personal care and skilled care residents. My name is Bill Durbin. I'm the Director of Projects and Technology at Foulkeways. Foulkeways has continued to grow. We've bought about 45 new acres for the property, and we continue to expand our independent living as well as our personal care and skilled care buildings.
For us, with so many different people accessing storage areas, it actually helps us keep the rooms locked so people who need to get there can use the electronic access, and reduces the number of keys that we have to carry around.
We've been working with Hartmann back since about 2008, 2009 time period. We took a shift in 2003 with Keystone Communications, and we went from strictly a public safety only company into more of a systems integration, large scale system type operations. Our next avenue after nurse call systems and wander management solutions was a door access solution that we could integrate with that and also work with our other customers that we currently have. We worked through a number of door access systems, and going by the cost and the reliability, we chose to invest in our relationship with Hartmann.
Foulkeways has some unique challenges being a 130-acre campus with many different buildings, servicing residents, staff, and family members. So we have to be flexible while providing security. We started off with the 1-door controllers, and then we quickly went to 2 doors, and now we just install 8 doors. Now it just makes sense to install 8 anytime we get a chance, because it works better. We can cover more doors, and the base cost is already covered.
The biggest thing that makes Hartmann stand out to me was the robustness in the system, the reliability of the hardware and the software. A lot of the projects that we work with and a lot of the vendors, the Hartmann product line, software and hardware has been very robust, and that's one of the most important things to me.
Access control is important, as when I came to Foulkeways, we had a whole bunch of keys with no accountability. So over the last 10 years, we've been replacing the key system with an electronic system, allowing us to reduce the number of keys, as well as giving staff flexibility to access what they need to access. The integration of Hartmann products at Foulkeways has been pretty easy. Keystone Communications has done a nice job recommending and supporting us through the transition.
Basically, my first day on the job, I was down here at Foulkeways installing door access equipment. My name's Steve Zosh. I'm a systems integration specialist with Keystone Communications. My experience with Hartmann has been very positive. The hardware is intuitive, the user interface is very user-friendly, and if there are any issues, big or small, I have a great working relationship with the technical support team, and there's not been one single issue that Hartmann has not been able to help us figure out and get the system up and running.
Everything at Foulkeways has a challenge, whether it be the construction of the facility or sometimes the challenges of the different environment. Because you have the long-term care residents, and you have the staff members, and then you still need to make sure you're aware of the family members that come in to visit them. So everything has a little bit of unique challenges in a long-term care facility, not just at Foulkeways, but every long-term care facility has those unique challenges to balance out the installation with the product line that's best to suit them.
I would definitely recommend Hartmann. The product still continues to provide the service and the flexibility we need for security.
I do recommend Hartmann for those same reasons, that it is reliable, they're easy to work with. You do have the tech support able to be reached. You don't have to submit 14 different tickets to get someone to answer you. And you have that general knowledge of knowing that you can go into a system and know that you can get the system functional.
I would absolutely recommend the Hartmann system to any customer that would need it, primarily because of the scalability. Here at Foulkeways, we started with single door installations and quickly moved to 2-door installations. And now we are on to pretty much exclusively 8-door installations. Just the ability to scale the system to whatever the customer needs, wherever they need it, makes it very easy to recommend to any customer looking for it.